Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank Tank, and today I bring some Allen wrenches, all right? So they're called Wera Hex Plus. They're color coordination, and I saw this. I was like, hey, I got to get this. So this is a 9-piece. We're going to put it to use and see how well it works. I know that some of the angles are a little bit more stiff now these days when you get the screws. They have that you require some Allen wrench. This actually has a flatter head. It actually goes in inserts pretty well, and then you are able to twist it. I like the set that it has multicolors. So hey, you're talking to somebody that doesn't know the numbers, you could just hey, give me the red one, green one, blue one, purple one. They can understand, easy to work with. All right, let's take a look at them. Let's open them up and see what you get when you purchase them like this. Box is a little hefty. It's a little heavy tools, but look, if you guys see inside, they give you a sticker, Total Rebels tools, information, little pamphlet. Pretty much that's it, you know. And in the back of the box, it's just a sticker. That's pretty much it. It looks like a Harley Davidson sticker. Put this on the side. I'm going to take a look at the tools themselves. The tools, they're all numbered and they're color coordinated. From the largest one, damn, and this is stiff. This is actually pretty stiff and pretty strong, heavy duty. Unlocking them here, there's a locking mechanism here. That's pretty much what it is. So you can unlock it, open the full set of keys here. We're gonna take one off. There it goes. Look at the end. Let's take a look at the tip. I like the piece in front. It has better angles. Hopefully it's gonna last. And I like that they give you the two ends here on this piece. Let's get the larger one so you guys can see it better. You can see it better. All of them are pretty much the same, but this is the largest one if you can see it. Now it's made a little stronger in the end. It has different tips so you can actually fit in better places. They give you the same connection, but it's a little different. Here's more like a flat one, and this one actually more like a hex right here. So I like that they have this plastic identifying the size and color coordinations, which I like. So we have our hex tool that we're going to require right here in this area, and this is a real tough one. So we're going to see what sizes. This is not the right size. This is going to be the right one right here, the red one right here. So we're going to use the red one. We're going to open it up. The only thing I don't like about this, it's a little hard to get out of these places. You're going to have to twist them first, all of them, and then you're going to have to pull it out. That's how you pull them out. So on this one, we're going to loosen it up a little bit. I'm going to try this way first. Loosen it up. And we're going to move it a little bit. There we go. Move this over here. Move the whole thing. Then we're going to tighten it up. And it ties pretty good. This end, you can move it any direction you can. If you guys can see the twist on it. But I like this. You can still twist it. But it gives you a better angle in case you're in a tough spot. It gives you a better angle. And this is where you're talking about why you can use this. And in fact, you can still twist in here while I'm doing this, but it's a better angle. If you're in a tough situation on the side, you can move it to the top, to bottom, left, but in this case we don't need it. Just gonna tie it down here, and that's it. It's tied. Perfect tool to use. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.